Video Idol! Katatapos lang namin magpa-picture kanina guys dito sa may photoshoot. Hi guys! What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Ngayon ang aming Seniors Cocktails Night sa David Salon. Yes, isa ako sa Loyalty Awardee. Super thankful. Siyempre, currently, nandito kami ngayon sa Market Taguig Branch. And from here, bibiyahe kami papuntang venue sa Blue Leaf, Braidstown, Quezon City. So, samahan nyo kami. From biyahe, pagkain, program, hanggang sa uwian. Let's go! Ayan guys, all the way na kami.
Hello! Hello! We're going to Baylip?
Blue Leaf.
Ay! Baylip. Parang Laurel yun.
Baylip.
See you soon! Kapamilya! David Zalan, Kapamilya.
We're going to Blue Leaf, Braidstown. Ang saya ng vibes kasi lahat nakadress up. May konting kaba, may excitement, lalo na para sa mga awardees like me. Road trip muna, kwentuhan, tapos mamaya cocktails na. Guys, we just arrived. Grabe, ang ganda ng venue. Ang classy, ang elegant. Very Seniors Cocktails Night. Talaga ang peg. Pagpasok mo pa lang, ramdam mo agad yung effort ng company. Nakaka-proud. Honestly. At eto na nga, nandito na kami sa Blue Leaf. At so, nakapila kami para sa photoshoot. Video Idol! Katatapos lang namin magpa-picture kanina guys dito sa may photoshoot. So ngayon, nagsimula na yung program at syempre, yung pinaka inaabangan, awarding, honestly, sobrang nakaka-touch kasi maririnig mo yung stories ng bawat awardee, yung years of service, sacrifice, and dedication. Nakaka-motivate lalo na mag-stay at mag-grow sa company. And yes, guys, I received my loyalty award tonight. Super thankful ako. This award is not just about years, kundi tungkol sa journey. Of course, hindi mawawala ang food. Hindi pwedeng hindi tikman lahat. Perfect pang chill, pang kwentuhan, and pang celebrate ng hard work namin over the years. After ng program, konting kwentuhan ulit, picture-picture, tawanan, ang saya lang ng atmosphere. Ayan guys, uwian na. Pagod pero sobrang saya ng puso. One of those night na mapapa-smile ka na lang pauwi. Thank you Lord, thank you sa company, and thank you guys for watching and celebrating this moment with me. If just enjoy this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye bye.